Hello everyone, today I have ordered a silver plushie from Amazon, and let's see how does it look like, if it came right or I got scammed. So let's see. I'm gonna just open the pack. I think it looks the same. Right there, this thing came today. I will do some plushie videos on this channel, and hope to see you guys next time. This will, before I end the video, this is what I got with the tag. See, the tag right here from Sega. You guys can tell if it's fake or not, but I think it's real. And if you wanna get one, just go on Amazon or Walmart. But I prefer Amazon because in Walmart is like I think $38, $88. But you could go check it. So yeah, I think it's a good deal for $25, 99 cents, and it came out great. Didn't have anything, so you could check it. Yeah, it came out how I expected it to come out. Expected it. See with the hair. So if you think anything is wrong, just comment down below. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. See you guys later.